Hey, good morning. Today we're going to talk about how to find an apothem or perimeter when you're finding the area of a regular polygon. So first things first, we need to look for what are we given here. In this problem on number 9, we're given a side length. So I can find the perimeter of this. Okay, so the perimeter would be 28. That's a little bit big. 28 times, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 28 times 6. So 48. 168 meters would be the perimeter. Now I need the apothem. Well, the apothem is the distance from the center perpendicular to the opposite side, or whatever side it is. So now that I have the apothem drawn in, I'm going to have to find that distance. And here's how we'll do that. I'm going to make a triangle, a right triangle, and then another right triangle. So I have an isosceles triangle right here. Here's my isosceles triangle. I know that I cut my opposite side into two congruent parts of 14 meters apiece. So the last thing I need is an angle measure. I'm going to find the central angle. And the central angle is found by taking 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, 6. So this whole central angle is 60, which means that each half would be 30 degrees. And our very last step to finding our apothem would be to draw, yikes, that's not a right triangle. There we go, a right triangle. 14 is the opposite side. This is 30. And I want the apothem. So what I can do from here is identify what sides do I have from my given angle of 30. I have the opposite. And I want the adjacent. So I'm going to think about my SOHCAHTOA. What uses opposite and adjacent? And here it would be tangent. So tangent of 30 equals opposite over adjacent. And I end up with that adjacent side is 14 divided by the tangent of 30, which is 14 root 3, if you remember your special right triangles. Or if I multiply 14 by the square root of 3, just let me grab a calculator really quick. I get 24.25. 24.25. So my apothem is approximately 24.25 meters. And from there, I can multiply my 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter to get the area. Let's try one more. Finding our apothem. All right, so again, we can find the perimeter. I need to find the apothem. So I'll make that little triangle. And I need to find the central angle because I know that this is 2.5, this is 2.5. It's an isosceles triangle. So my central angle is found by doing 360 divided by the number of sides, which gets me 72 degrees. So this is all 72, which means that each half would be 36 degrees. I have 2.5, and I want the apothem. So to find that apothem, now I can do my trigonometry. I have the opposite side. I want the adjacent side. So I would do, let's see, SOHCAHTOA. Opposite, adjacent, tangent. So tangent of 36 equals opposite over adjacent, which means that that adjacent side, the apothem, is going to end up being 2.5 divided by the tangent of 36. So that adjacent side would be 3.44. So my apothem is 3.44, and my perimeter is 5 miles times 5 sides, 25 miles. And then I can do 1/2 apothem perimeter. Check out the how to find the perimeter video, given an apothem. And then I will also post another video on how to find the area once you have an apothem and a perimeter. Let me know what questions you have. Send me an email, and I will see you in class.